This is the Breville Juice Fountain Plus, and it's the perfect juicer for those just getting into the juicing lifestyle. It's easy to use, only 2 settings, high and low. Use low to make the blades spin slower for juicing soft fruits and leafy greens. Use the high speed to cut through tougher foods like apples. This was the first juicer to hit the market sporting a 3-inch feed tube, so you can juice whole fruits and vegetables. Even dense vegetables such as beets can go in, which are packed with wonderful antioxidants. Really, you can try whatever combinations you happen to have in your fridge, and after the fun element of experimentation, you'll get to know what you like. Celeries, apples, pears and carrots all go well with beets, but to give it a little extra zing, add some ginger root. But go easy on the ginger and build it up as you like the taste, because it can overpower your concoction. I tend to try fruit and veggie combinations of whatever is in season. A handy trick is to line your pulp container with a produce plastic bag for an even easier cleanup. And Breville juicers are easy to clean. You don't need a tool to dismantle it. Simply transfer to the sink, give your parts a rinse and place in the top shelf of your dishwasher. There's an included cleaning brush for your filter basket. I always use this to give my filter a little extra care right after juicing. The Juice Fountain Plus, another great innovation by Breville.